Hello friends, welcome to Malabar Kitchen. Today we are going to make idiyappam or string hoopers. For this, let's take 1 cup of rice flour, add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, boil some water. Using this hot water, we are going to knead the dough. Please be careful as the water is hot, so use a spoon initially while kneading the dough. Later, you can use hands as the dough is cooler. Once the dough is ready, put a steamer with water on the gas or stove. Grease some idli molds with oil. This is to prevent the string hoopers from sticking, and they will be easy to remove once they are ready. Here is an idiyappam maker that I am using. I have a thin sieve that I used in this case as I would like my noodles to be thinner in size. If you like thicker noodles, you could use a sieve which has larger holes. Dear friends, if you like our video so far, please do consider subscribing to our channel. This helps support our work and we try to bring you a new video every week. Now let's get back to making the string hoopers. Grease the idiyappam mold with oil. This prevents the dough from sticking on the sides and it will be easy to make the string noodles. We're going to steam these string hoopers in the steamer for 15 minutes approximately. Once they are done, set it aside to cool and then remove the string hoopers using a spoon. This idiyappam can be enjoyed with any curry of your choice. We traditionally serve it with egg curry. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.